And here we are again, currently sat in the van enjoying a bit of sunshine. Been playing around with this FortXlock's shutter lock. Now, a couple of things. It says hardened solid steel. That and that with 2 licks of a little file. So clearly not hardened steel. It looks like it's just a rebranded Chinese piece of junk. Now I have SPP'd this while I've been not doing much, but I find that there's little or no feedback from the core whatsoever when you're picking. However, these Thunder rakes from UK Bump Keys work great in it. There you go. As simple and as easy as that. So SPPing, it can be done in about a minute or so, but there's no need to SPP when you can just rake it open in a few seconds really. So just my little bit of advice, don't use one of these if you're locking anything with a lot of value up, because it does not take long just to get a rake, stick it in, jiggle it about and open it up. That's it for today. Thank you.